Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer photos from Android to iPhone. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To do this, we're going to use an app called Google Drive. It's a free cloud storage and file sharing app, and it's usually already installed on Android phones. On your iPhone, you'll need to search for Google Drive in the App Store and download it if you don't already have it. Start on your Android phone by opening Google Drive. At the bottom right, tap Files, then tap on this plus button. It's a good idea to create a new folder to keep things organized. So tap Folder, give it a name, and press Create. Once the folder is created, open it, tap plus again, and this time choose Upload. After a moment, select Gallery at the top if it isn't already selected. Then choose the photos you want to transfer. Once selected, tap Done at the top. Then tap on Upload and wait for the photos to upload. The upload time will depend on your internet connection. Now move over to your iPhone and open the Google Drive app. Make sure you sign in using the same Google account that you used on your Android phone. Go to Files and refresh the page if needed. You should see the folder you created on your Android device. Open it, and you'll find the uploaded photos inside. To save the photos to your iPhone, tap and hold on a photo to select it. Then select all the photos you want. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and choose Download. The photos will begin downloading to your iPhone. Once the download is complete, open the Photos app on your iPhone, and you'll see the transferred images there. And that's it. So that's basically how you can transfer photos from Android to iPhone. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.